right, today we're going to bring a long USB strip. And when I mean long, let me show you guys. This is a shorter one right here. Look at this compared to this one. It's a longer one. Now, the great thing about this one that you can use it for a couple of features, all right? It comes with a double-sided tape too also that you can attach to a car, because they do give you an attachment for the actual car attachment because it is USB type A. If you guys can see it, has an off and on switch. It comes with a great app that you need to download. Instructions how to use this. One AC connection that you need to attach, long extension cord, all right? That's what you're gonna need. We're gonna put this to use in two places, all right? Right now we're gonna test it out to see you guys can see it, and tomorrow we're gonna put it to use, all right? All right, if you guys can see, we just turned it on and the app found it right away. Now, the system itself is something I just turned on, and then it comes with a welcome sign. So we're gonna add something in here. All right. Right off the bat, they have a couple of templates that you can create. It has a lot of graffiti, animation, tests. We're going to go in animation so you guys can see a great animation in here. We're going to put the Mario. People love Mario. We're going to upload it and play it there. Look at this. It's going to send it down to the system itself. It's going to push the play button right now, and there it is. An animation, a Super Mario. This is great for if you're streaming and you want to have a great background and you're a gamer. You can set this up in there. Like I said, there's many features on it. You want to thank your customers? Look at that. We're going to send a thank you over to it. It takes about half a minute, less than a minute, a couple of seconds. Look at that. Thank you with the animation on it. It has hundreds of different attachments that you can do, animations. If you guys notice, we just added our own system in here. And the great thing about it, because it comes with great templates in here, you could change the coloring. And right now we have it on slide. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. You could slow it down by the right or fast, increase it. Now, right now, if you guys can see, we have the slide. We're going to change it to scroll up. When you say scroll up, you have to hit the finish button, and then you have to send it to the actual unit. To send it, you hit the play button, and look at this, scrolling up. And it's a lot. You can slow it down. You can increase the speeds.